Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video, we are going to look at one of the trending topics, one of the question many students have nowadays, right? The question is, can we still use templates in describe, image, and retell lecture? I have researched over this, in the last 2 to 3 weeks, and I've got some conclusions which I will be sharing with you in this particular video. Very first thing, what is the issue? Issue is few students, not all, who used to get 90, 87, 88 in speaking earlier have recently taken the test and are getting around 67, 68, 64. Particularly when you look at their skills profile, they're getting full points in short speaking, but they are struggling in extended speaking. Extended speaking means describe, image, and retell lecture. I repeat again, not all. If 100 students are taking the test, 90 are still getting the scores, but 5 to 10 students are struggling when it comes to their describe, image, and retell lecture scores. And when this happens, right, let's say if I go for the test, I have scored 90 first, and now I'm getting 70 in the same section. I believe the templates are not working. I believe PT has blocked something, PT has changed something. So this is the same question which I got from a few of my students as well. And to see if templates are actually working, what we did is three of our tutors, I didn't go for the test. Reason being, my passport has gone for renewal, so I don't have the passport at the moment and I cannot take the test right now. But yes, I will be taking it very soon. So I asked three of our head tutors. They went for the test. They took the test. They took the test. One has got 90 in speaking, other one has got 88 in speaking, another one somewhere around this score only, right? So all of them got more than 79. And what I asked them to use the templates which students are using, the same template which I have provided you, just to make sure that the templates which we are giving out to students are working or not. And yes, they have got the scores, so the templates are working. But we have to note this thing that because using the same template, 3 4 students of ours didn't get the scores, we made sure that we check what the students are actually doing. So when I checked at the responses of the students, I had a look how the students are attempting to describe, image, and retell lecture. I found out that templates are not the issues, but the issue is they're not implementing the template properly. I have told this thing many a times. I've told this thing many times that it's not the template which will get you the score. It's more of how you use the template which will get you the score. So in one case, one student, I remember he is a student from Pakistan. He was getting 75, 76 in speaking every time. So what I did, I had a look at his template, the way he was doing it, and few words in the template he was not able to pronounce properly. So I changed those words, and this time, yesterday he took the test, he got 89 or 88 in speaking, and he has got full points in extended speaking as well. So what do we take out of this particular experiment? This experiment tells us that you can use the template, but remember this thing, you do not have to use the template blindly. If you find any word difficult, don't speak it. If you find any word difficult in the template, you can replace it with some other word as well. So if you are struggling, let's say if you're using the template, you've got 90 before, but if you're not getting the scores now, try to see what pronunciation mistakes you're making, if you're speaking clearly or not, and try to make few changes so that you can speak clearly in a fluent manner and get the scores. If you still struggle, you can contact us. We'll be happy to help you. What I'll be doing now is I'll be demonstrating how to attempt describe image and how to attempt retell lecture, so that it's crystal clear for all of you that what pace you have to speak at, how you have to use the template, and how long you have to speak for. Let me share my screen and then we'll go from there. So we have just updated the website recently. If you take the mock test, you get the estimated scores, everything here. We go to practice material. Let's see, have a look at the describe image. Okay. So let's say if you get this image, right, don't go too fast. The image gives information about system. I find it difficult to speak this word, so I'll just say system. The image gives information about system. I can say system, or you can just say image gives information about system. It is a very beautiful image and I have to speak for 40 seconds about this image. There are a lot of different elements in the image, which are request, index, and page. I can also see patient, master, and control. I can see control, center, and document. One of the element is maximum and the other one is minimum. To conclude, the image is very informative. So you don't have to speak the whole thing. If you ask me to speak this whole thing, I'll probably not be able to speak these words clearly. So this is what you have to avoid. Any word you find difficult, skip. If there's a long keyword, you can break it into multiple short keywords as well. Let's say if you've got this keyword, what students do is, I can see 4500, 5600, 45, and 9768. Don't do it this way. Image gives information about month. I can see month, sales, and units. I can see January, February, and March. I can see 1, 2, and 3. I can see 45, 28, and 39. One of the element is maximum, the other one is minimum. To conclude, the image is informative. That's all you have to do, and you'll be 100% fine. Focus on clarity, speak as clearly as possible, and then at the same time, make sure you do not rush, please. Read a lecture. I'll show you how I do it. Let's say these are the notes we have, right? So you can start this way. Trademark was the main topic of the lecture. He told about trademark expression, smiling, and communication. He told about communication, other feel, and smiles. He told about teeth, biting, and back off. He told about cousins, happened, and behavior. He told about friendliness, trouble, and primates. He told about baboons, toothy expression, and monkeys. To conclude, the lecture was informative. Obviously, you'll have to take down the notes over there. I'm just reading off the transcript. But what I'm trying to show is you have to make sure that you speak in a smooth manner, you focus on clarity, and you do not rush. If you have less keywords here as well, you can repeat the same keywords. Describe image, speak around 20 seconds, retell lecture around 25-30 seconds. That is all you have to do. All right, guys, what do we get out of this video? 3 of the tutors took the test, got 79 plus. One student who was struggling with extended speaking, particularly describe image and retell lecture, we just changed a few words, asked him to focus on clarity, asked him to not rush, asked him to take easy keywords. He jumped from 70s to 88 or 89, right? So this is what I want you to do. First of all, nothing has changed. You can use the templates, but it's not just the template which will get you the scores. It's more about using the templates properly. If you use the templates properly, 100% you're going to get the scores. How can I say this? We invest a lot of money on experimenting new things because I don't want to tell you something which I have or our team has not tried, right? Because I don't want you to experiment something. We experiment it for you and you get your desired scores. So you don't stress about anything, use the same templates, focus on clarity and speak clearly. If you're still struggling with your speaking, with your extended speaking, if you're in India, Australia, or anywhere around the world, do contact us. We'll check your speaking, what mistakes you're making, and we'll advise you what is the best way you should approach the test if we need to change the template or if we need to do anything else. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. If you need any more help, you can contact us. To practice, just go on languageacademy.com.au or download the LA PTE Exam Practice app. We do have branches in India, Nepal, and Australia as well. So feel free to visit us and we'll be more than happy to help you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.